So how do you change the language on Twitter? So this is what I'm going to show you, both the display language of your interface of the Twitter account as well as the language in which you want to see the tweet. First of all, you need to sign into your Twitter account and then click these three horizontal dots for more options. And from here go to the security and privacy, and the setting you would see this option of accessibility, display and languages. Click this one, and here the fourth option is languages. You need to click this one. So within the language settings there are three options: the display language, that is the language of your interface and your headlines, buttons, etc. The second is the additional languages. These are would be the languages in which you would like to see the tweets. And the third language I'm going to explain in a short while. So first of all, the display language, you need to click here from the drop down menu. You need to select your desired language and then click save. So as you can see here, the language has changed. In the additional languages, it says that select the additional languages for the content you want to see on Twitter, which means that the languages I am going to select here, I would see the tweets in those languages also. By default, it will give you the languages which are spoken in your region, but you can click show more and select all the languages in which you want to see the tweets. The languages you may know manages the languages Twitter inferred based on your activities, such as the account you follow and the tweets you engage with. So you can click here, and from here you would see that you can select all those or deselect all those languages which you want to keep it here. If you found some value in this video, do give it a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.